Hey, what's going on? It's Jonathan Glazer here, and if you are watching this, it's safe to bet that you are looking for a online business to start or another one to add an extra stream of income. Whatever it is, this is going to be the perfect one for you, and I'm going to give you four reasons why, and then I'm going to show you exactly what you get by taking you a tour in the back office. So, if you want to just cut straight to the chase, click the link below. You can check that out, and it'll give you all the information on this. This is one of the best ways to make money online from home is by providing tools and services that any marketer, small business, anyone needs. It's pretty much helping others achieve the same goals as you by providing them tools and everything to get there. So that's what makes this so powerful. If that makes sense, just keep on this video, and I'm gonna go through all these here, and then I'm gonna show you what you will get with the business side of this online business. So the first one is what I just previously mentioned. Is it provides the best tools and apps that can build any business online. So the tools are always being updated. They're always adding new ones. At the moment, they have 16 tools, which includes page builders, autoresponder with 10,000 subscribers. So why does that matter? If you're new to the business, autoresponder is where you're going to set up your automation, and that's going to send out emails automatically. So when you capture the lead, it's a big part of automation. And so a lot of companies, if you get to 10,000 subscribers, are going to charge you 160 to higher than that. So having that amount right there is huge for most people that are most people starting out. They're struggling to get their footing and figure things out. They can't afford to be paying $164. I mean, granted, when you're starting out, you're not going to get that 10,000, but when you slowly gradually build up more and more subscribers, your cost of to support those subscribers is going to go up. But with this, it's not going to. So that's the point I'm trying to make. You're also going to get 4 types of page builders. They're all going to be responsive. You can update them for mobile. You can even build blogs with them. And there's templates. It's over 1,000 templates, so you don't have to be a master. You can just go through the templates, change it up a little bit, and whatever the niche you're in, you can customize it towards that. So that's huge. There's videos, and there's all sorts of apps on here that you can take a look at. I can go on and on just with that alone. So what's going to happen is I'll have a separate playlist that will appear at the end of this video that you can check out, or you can click the link below and you can go through and check all those out too. But there is over 16 of those, so it's huge demand. It provides people with just everything they're going to need to build an online presence. But not only that, once you get a hold of this powerful platform, you're gonna need to know what to do with it. You gotta find your target audience. So you're gonna need some kind of support and tools, and that's exactly what's gonna be provided. So you're gonna get access to a Facebook group. You're gonna get weekly webinars. You're gonna get access to promo resources, banners, emails, some training. And you're going to get access to actual converting sales funnels, so you don't have to make those at all. You can, but if you're just starting out and you just want to, if you can copy and paste, you just get your little affiliate link, which I'm going to show you how to do in just a second, and then you just follow the training provided by the webinars inside the resources, and of course I'll help you out as well. And then when your sales start coming in, you're getting 100% commissions on the front end, and you have the opportunity to get paid 3 different price points. So that's what makes it convert so well. Is there is a $9.90, $29.95, and then a $49.90, and plus there's annuals, and as well. So you're gonna have lots of opportunities to make some sweet commissions here. Plus, you're gonna get residual income, so you're gonna get 30% on top of that. Um, and here is the best part, the kicker. The more people you have joined, the more people you help, you get the opportunity to win a car. So it's going to take some work, but it is a great opportunity. Once you get to 100 people um, that are you've provided 100 people with this service, you qualify to get a free car. So there's more on that inside the actual dashboard, as well as the link below. So click the link below, and you can check this out. So what we're gonna do is we're going to go over and check this out. This is the actual company. It's called Builderall, and that is the actual promo that I was just speaking about. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the resources part. This is the business part of the company. Now if you take a look over here, this is all the tools you're going to get access to. So you got page builders. As I mentioned, there's about 4 of those. You can also have an app creator, so you can build your own app for whatever business you have. If you have a side business, you want to use this for extra income or just to grow your business, you can do that. But that's all, everything you're gonna get. And this is all automation tools to grow your list, SEO, ClickMap to analyze the traffic and the engagement. I mean, there's lots here to do, and there's tutorials and all that as well, as you're gonna find. You're gonna find down here. That's those tutorials for those, and as well as special promos right here. So you're gonna actually get a chance to get some additional income by promoting special training and stuff and offers like that by some of the founders and CEOs. So there's lots of opportunities with this, not just by promoting the actual services and tools and apps, but there's also little side opportunities that will appear here and there. And once you're a business partner, you get access to all that. So okay, so I'm in the actual business section. So what you're going to see here is all this here. So here's all the funnels that you can use to promote the actual Builderall business. You can use your 7-day free trial. These 2 sales funnels here, you can direct them straight to the checkout. This is also pretty huge. You can also promote to small businesses. So lots of small businesses want to expand online, because online is still kind of a wild west. People are still discovering it, not sure how to use it. So this is your opportunity to help them out here. And new niches are added weekly. When they first started this, they only had 4, and now it's close to 10, 15. And then here is where you're going to find all your resources. So you even get a planned promo. So if you want, you need some guidance, you don't know what to do, you'll just come to this resource here, and every week, what day of the week it is. So today is Thursday. We're just going to go look on Thursday, and it's going to show you what to do. So this will be an email. So you go here, you're just going to download the PDF, and this is what you're going to send your list. So if you're building a list, this is what you're going to send them, and it's going to redirect them to this event right here. So you can also, if it's let's say it's Monday, you're gonna get, you're gonna get access to this. If it's Friday, same thing. It's just gonna give you a little guide on how to promote the business. Plus, there's training that I'll provide, just simple little posts on Facebook. Of course, I have a YouTube little course you can do. That I'm going to throw your way as well. So you just have to mention it to me in the description below, the info in the description below, and I'll hook you up with that. So that's it. there's huge opportunity here. It's a high demand niche. It fits every single niche out there. People need these products, and they don't want to pay an arm and a leg. They don't want to pay, 60 bucks. The majority of people, they want to cut back on their costs. They want to have quality products and services, and that's what Builderall provides. So it provides that, and it exceeds the value of the cost. So huge opportunity here. If you see it, reach out to me or just click the link below and join, and I will set you up with everything you need. So take care, and we'll talk to you real soon. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and have an awesome day.